Hello everyone, this is Steve John. Welcome to another session of Chemistry Made Easy. Today, we will learn the rule for significant figures in multiplication and division. So let's begin. Multiplication and division have the same rules. The rule states that we need to round the product or quotient to the same number of significant figures as the measurement with the fewest number of significant figures. This means that the number of significant figures in the final answer is based on the original measurement that has the fewest number of significant figures. To better understand this rule, let's have an example. Let's start with the division problem. 5.28 grams divided by 3.0 ml. Let's rewrite this problem into a fraction. The first step that we need to do here is calculate the quotient. If we divide these numbers, the answer would be 1.76 grams per ml. The second step is we count the number of significant figures in each of the original measured numbers. In 5.28 grams, there are 3 significant figures. In 3.0 ml, there are 2 significant figures. Again, the rule states that the answer should be rounded to the same number of significant figures as the measurement with the fewest number of significant figures. In this case, the fewest number of significant figures is 2. Therefore, we need to round the answer to 2 significant figures. By rounding, the final answer would be 1.8 grams per ml. Let's have another division problem. 1.471 grams divided by 0.520 ml. Let's rewrite this into a fraction. First step, calculate the quotient. If we divide these numbers, the answer would be 2.828846154 grams per ml. Second step, count the number of significant figures. In 1.471 grams, there are 4 significant figures. In 0.520 ml, there are 3 significant figures. The fewest number of significant figures is 3. Therefore, our final answer must only have 3 significant figures. Our initial answer here has so many digits. We need to round this number to 3 significant figures. By rounding, the final answer would be 2.83 grams per ml. Now let's consider a multiplication problem. 2.4 meters times 2.9 meters. The answer here is 6.96 square meters. In 2.4 meters, there are 2 significant figures. In 2.9 meters, there are also 2 significant figures. So, the fewest number of significant figures is obviously 2. Therefore, we need to round 6.96 square meters to 2 significant figures. This would give us 7.0 square meters as the final answer. Another multiplication problem. 11 meters times 10.1 meters times 11.7 meters. The answer here is 1,299.87 cubic meters. In 11 meters, there are 2 significant figures. In 10.1 meters, there are 3 significant figures. In 11.7 meters, there are also 3 significant figures. The fewest number of significant figures is 2. Therefore, we need to round 1,299.87 cubic meters to 2 significant figures. This would give us 1,300 cubic meters as the final answer. We could also write the final answer in scientific notation. As you can see, 1.3 times 10 to the power of 3 cubic meters has also 2 significant figures. Last problem. A coin has a mass of 7.45 grams. If there are 2 such coins, what is the total mass? The solution here is pretty simple. We just have to multiply 7.45 grams by 2. In this problem, 2 is not a measured number. It is an exact number because it's a counting number. Exact numbers have an infinite number of significant figures, but they are generally not reported. The digit 2 here can mean 2.0 or 2.00 or 2.00000 or 2 point infinite zeros. Because exact numbers have an infinite number of significant figures, they do not affect the number of significant figures in a calculation. The rule for significant figures when multiplying or dividing is only applicable to measurements. 7.45 grams is an example of a measurement or a measured number, and it is the only measured number in this problem. So, the number of significant figures in the final answer should only be based on the number of significant figures in 7.45 grams. There are 3 significant figures in 7.45 grams. Thus, our final answer must also have 3 significant figures. 2 times 7.45 grams is equal to 14.9 grams. As you can see, the answer has already 3 significant figures. Therefore, this is the final answer. So that's the rule for significant figures when multiplying or dividing numbers. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. If you want to review the rules for determining the number of significant figures, just watch this video here. Have a great day!